Mate value predicts infidelity intention. So again, if you believe you are high mate value, you believe by default that it is more likely for you to intend to commit infidelity than your partner. I mean, how many times have you heard these men basically suggest it's okay for me to cheat, but not my wife, right? That no way in the world would she step out on me. Infidelity intention is based upon relationship satisfaction, and it is caused by two of the big five personality factors, so low conscientiousness and low agreeableness. So you tend to be people who work hard, who are conscientious and who are friendly, tend to be less likely to be unfaithful. You know, it reminds me of something. You can tell when you ride the bus or the train who's been to work and who hasn't. You know, all the people on the train who have been working like 8, 9, 10 hours, they are on the train, they're tired, they tend to be quiet, they read a book, right, or they listen to music. The people who have not worked the whole day, they get on the train somewhere around 2:30 during rush hour, and they make up so much noise. It's just craziness, and they want to fight, right, because they've been sleeping all night, or they've been sleeping all the way up to a certain time of the day, and so now they're hyper and they want to engage. Whereas the people who have been working all day, all they can think about is getting home, cooking some food, helping the kids with the homework, talking to their partner, going to bed, and then doing it all over again, right? So people who work hard, they tend not to be the type of people who do a lot of cheating, because they have like a work ethic about them that merits like integrity, right? And then of course people who are friendly are also less likely to be unfaithful. Agreeableness in this regard, for low agreeableness, is basically the conflict that you have with between two partners. That's what the relationship satisfaction is. So if you're cheating, that means you sort of have, you're not happy in your relationship, and happy is relative. Some people cheat just for just really stupid reasons, you know, just because the wife was tired one night and didn't feel like cooking, and they base their decision on the fact that their mother always cooked for their father, right? But you can be tired. You can just be tired. I mean, you have to take care of the kids. If a husband doesn't come home and talk to the wife, all of a sudden, she has to have some sort of emotional cheating with some person at her job. You know, going to lunch hours with him, things like that. So it's all tied to relationship satisfaction.